Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my featured channel of the week. I first started my featured channel of the week as a way to help grow some of the smaller channels. When you first start off, you pop up very low on the search algorithm, and people can even search for your content verbatim, and it will not pop up, and other people's content will pop up above it, and you'll feel like all of your content is buried in the bottom of the search algorithm. In order to try to combat this, I've been trying to feature some of the smaller channels to help them get some more recognition. Another way some channels have been able to get found is through hashtag StockLockSunday. Any channel big from small with that hashtag, their content will start to show up, and that is another great way to get noticed in the lock sport community. The channel that I'm going to feature this week is a very small channel. It has less than 20 subscribers, and it is relatively new. The person that runs this channel is very active in the community and is always commenting on people's videos. I feel like this channel offers a very unique perspective because of how new it is. You're going to get to see this channel start to grow from beginning to end, and this channel is going to be fun to watch grow. As you can notice on any channel, their first videos are very different than their later videos, and I just find that to be a very fun progression to watch. Throughout the highlight reel that I made today, you're going to get to see a little clip of every video that this channel has made, and hopefully you'll enjoy this channel and consider subscribing. So the channel that I'm going to feature today with a little wave of the pick is going to be Chris Capune. Chris Capune is a really great guy, and what I'm going to do is roll the highlight reel right now so you can check him out.
Hi, Chris here. This is an introduction video, a little bit about me and my new YouTube channel. My name is Chris Capune. I'm 64. I live in the Southern California area. I am happily retired. I used to run a carpentry business for about 35 years. And I really love picking locks. And I wanted to start a YouTube channel and I was very intimidated in the beginning. There's a lot to think about. First off, you have to figure out how you're going to film it, and a lot of those things can be figured out by just practice. Set up a camera or your phone and practice a little bit. But it is intimidating. Hit that record button, and then once again when you hit the upload button. But anyway, I do love locks. I pick every day. If I go camping or fly fishing, I always take locks with me, so I'll have something to pick. The way I got into lock sport was I read a lot of detective novels, and every once in a while someone in there would pick a lock. And the descriptions, those descriptions, they weren't very detailed, so I couldn't really figure out how they were doing it. I was at a party once, and there was a locksmith there, and I thought, well, I'll ask him. And he told me the way that you pick a lock is you have picks to raise the key pins, and you also have a tension wrench to turn the core once you've picked all the pins. And so then I kind of understood how that would go. I found a cheap set of picks on Amazon and got those. I had some quick set cylinders that were left over from my carpentry business. A lot of that business was custom doors, and people would order a custom door and want to also upgrade their locks. So I ended up with a lot of quick set cylinders. I began picking those, really enjoyed learning how to pick those on my own. And then I started watching YouTube. And once I started watching YouTube, I noticed that there was a whole lot of different locks you could pick. So my interest grew. Finally, I decided I wanted to start a channel. And one thing about this lock sport community is you can ask a question, and boy, you get great information back. How do you start? How do you download? What are some of the things you need to do and think about? That was very helpful from the community, and I started a channel. One of the other things I like about the lock sport is there's so many things, there's so many different aspects of it. You can pick cylinder locks, you can pick padlocks, you can pick lever locks, dimple locks. You can impression keys, learn how to do that. It's very wide and fun. So I guess in short, not to make this too long, if you want to start a channel, play around. I was intimidated at first, but you don't really need to be, and you can still do a fairly good job even though you are intimidated. I would say jump out there and ask some questions that you need answers to, and go ahead and try it and upload something. I've been very happy with the results that I've gotten, and it's not as hard as you think. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care.
Thank you so much for checking out my highlight reel on Chris Capune. He's a really great guy and makes some pretty cool content. He is a very small channel that is growing every day. If you'd like to see some more of his content, what I'm going to do is I'll put up a link on the top here, and you'll be able to get linked directly to his channel. If you would like to see more content by him automatically, what you can consider doing is subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Every subscription makes a big difference. It will help his content pop up much higher in the search algorithm, and it will really help grow his channel altogether. Either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been my featured channel of the week on Chris Capune. If you have any channels that you'd like to suggest, please send me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com, and I'd love to check them out. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like them, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.